But you contracted COVID-19 twice. Why did you
Yes.
decide to tell anybody anything at all about your experience?
So the true story is I was having a conversation with my uncle, Keith Duncan, who's the chairman of the PSOJ, about vaccinations. And, he messaged me and said, Craig, people over 18 years old can now get the vaccine. And I run a company which has about 17 employees who are mostly young people, 18 to maybe 38 or so. And I said, I hate this. Why does this always happen as last minute? I should probably close my office for the day and release the team to go get the vaccine. And he said, yes, do not hesitate. Do it now. This is about 12 o'clock. Having a conversation to figure out how many people want to take the vaccine. There are a lot of people, well, not a lot, but some of the people in my office that didn't want to take it. And I said, some people don't want to take it. What should I do? And he said, share the video of you being sick. Sorry, my phone just rang. I need to put it on silent very quickly. Let me just do that.
So you need to share the video of yourself sick to those at your office who weren't as excited about getting the vaccine that was made available to them.
And when I shared that video and I saw their responses, they were like, whoa, this man was really sick. My boss was dying. Oh my God. The immediate thing was maybe the public could use the same thing, the benefit, And then I put it on my Instagram and it went pretty viral. I messaged Gordon and me and Gordon were talking. Gordon knew I was sick from before and he wrote a tweet about me earlier, but didn't share my name. And the reason why I didn't share anything about me being sick to many people was because I still run a company and I was very afraid of during a sickness to have chaos at Telgent, because if I'm supposedly dying, which, I was, what do, junior employees think? So nobody knew except for the management team. What happens, clients, just a bunch of different stuff. So they didn't know I was sick. So shared the video, put it on Instagram, went viral. Gordon shared it, went viral. Lots of success. Okay. Next day comes, seeing Gordon says me a stat, 40,000 people have seen it. A lot of messages all throughout the day. I've gotten a vaccine because of you, Craig. Lots of reward for me. I feel good. Because clearly people are being vaccinated. I've tracked about 10 people who told me, I'm going to get the vaccine down at UWI today. I'm going to get at Reno. They messaged me back and said, hey, got the vaccine. So good first day. The erectile dysfunction thing now is a separate issue. Woke up in the morning, obviously that part wasn't working. And I thought to myself, oh my God, I was able to get a lot of people to the vaccine. What if I told them the other thing that has happened, which I know Jamaican men don't like talk about, and it's something that would, create some fear level because it wasn't working for me. Now, I spoke to my aunt, who is Dr. Christina Duncan, and I recorded a video in the morning. I shared it to her, and she said to me, whoa, Craig, okay. She laughed, and I said, what do you think about this? And she said, I think I want to share it because I think this might help get people to get vaccinated. And she said, wow, you're brave, man. I think it's fine because all the medical stuff was correct. And I shared it to Gordon because me and Gordon have a great relationship. He put it up on Twitter. And, in an hour, Minister Tufton had called me. And I've never met him before, never spoken to him. He got my number and said, hi, Craig. I'm sorry, I need to sit back. Hi, Craig. You are a very, very, very brave man. Thank you so much for what you have done. He told me I was one of the biggest COVID vaccination advocates in Jamaica. And he told me, don't worry about much, son. The dead will raise eventually. Very, very funny guy. Actually, he's very humorous. I enjoyed the conversation. And, he told me he was going to post the video. Posted it. The rest was history. Went very, very viral. Lots of positive messages. Many people getting vaccinated. In fact, the whole country got vaccinated. Not whole country, but the vaccinations ran out. I think that the video going viral, being shown all over the place and people being afraid and seeing a young person so sick and talking about things that they've never heard before really helped. And that was a kind of self-sacrifice.